In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Namecheap hosting. If you've ever found yourself puzzled about bridging this gap between domain registration and hosting, don't worry, I'm here to make the process as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, let's start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, navigate to the My Products page, where you'll see a list of all your domains. Locate the specific domain that you want to connect to Namecheap. Next to it, you'll find a DNS button. Go ahead and click it, which will take you to the domain settings page. From here, you need to scroll down until you find the Name Servers section. By default, your domain is set to use GoDaddy's name servers, but since we're linking this to Namecheap hosting, we need to make a switch here. To do that, click on Change in the Name Servers section. You will see an option to switch from Default to Custom. Select Custom, and you'll be able to enter new name servers provided by your Namecheap hosting account. Now, let's head over to your Namecheap account to grab these name servers. Log into Namecheap, and once you're in, look for the dashboard and then domain list. From the list of domains, choose the one that matches the GoDaddy domain you're working with. Click on Manage next to it, and you'll find Namecheap-specific name servers somewhere within the Domain tab. They typically look like dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com. We need to copy both of these. Return to GoDaddy and paste those name servers into the Custom Name Servers fields. Ensure there are no extra spaces before or after the name servers, as this can lead to errors. Once you've pasted them, make sure to hit Save or OK to apply the changes. After doing this, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours for these changes to fully propagate. While it usually doesn't take too long, it's crucial to be patient during this period, as the speed can vary based on different factors. Now that we've set the name servers, your GoDaddy domain is successfully connected to Namecheap hosting. Moving forward, any changes or settings you need to apply to your website should be handled via your Namecheap hosting control panel. This is where you can manage your files, databases, mail settings, and more. To summarize, we've logged into GoDaddy, changed the name servers to custom, gathered the necessary details from Namecheap, and initiated the propagation process. This simple adjustment allows you to leverage GoDaddy's domain management with Namecheap's hosting capabilities effectively. I hope this guide helped you through what might initially seem like a complex process. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy website managing!